Welcome to Vyapar Junction, an initiative by Gujarati Samaj UAE. This is a first meeting. અને મને આજે કહેતા આનંદ થાય છે કે આપણે અત્યાર સુધી ફક્ત ગુજરાતી સમાજ યુએઈ ચલાવતા હતા. આજે આપણે પ્લેટફોર્મ લોન્ચ કર્યું ઇન્ડિયન્સ ઇન યુએઈ.
What is the number one value that a human has? Time. So I encourage everybody, start your own business. So this platform is for that. It's a support network. And this doesn't happen overnight. No one is going to be successful today because they attended. And you will say something that, the idea will come. That's my lock. I have the key. And when you come together, magic happens. Are you with me? So make sure when you introduce yourself, you speak, act like you're 10 times bigger. Right? Do you think I speak like this normally every day? No?
Gujarati people never invest on the building. जगह अपना होना चाहिए. ये तो उनमें जाना है. Usually, big companies only give for big projects, but especially we are giving the real people.
So Akshar Real Estate is a young and fast-growing real estate firm in Dubai built on trust, transparency and teamwork. We handle everything from off-plan and ready properties.
Akshar Holding Homes, luxury stays, high-end holiday packages, curated adventure gateways. We design memorable experiences tailored for every traveler.
We have garments, decoration items, and food and beverages.
So we are into wall space automation, where event management is one of our products. We are again into IT solutions, but to make it very specific,
where they can upload their items and people can buy. So a Gujarati will be a seller and Gujarati will be a buyer.
And I am a fashion designer. We do all kinds of stitching work.
My dream is to have one solution, I mean to say one-stop solution where I have all the contacts and easily I can connect each other very quickly.
So back then it was like, this is not an idea I can say, but yes, I am thinking now, if even they are doing, why not that? I can also make.
So I want to be part of this family and that's why I'm here. But yes, my purpose is business as well. So we are a filmmaker.
અમારી કંપનીમાં કર્યો પછી આજે મને એવું લાગ્યું કે આપણે ગુજરાતી સમાજમાં બી કરીએ. ઘણા લોકોને આઈડિયા હોય છે, બરાબર? એવું નથી કે ખાલી બિઝનેસ નો જાય.